Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable BRIM in Bambu Studio. So what you need to do first is look at the left side settings panel in Bambu Studio, click on the others. So let's first select our object, and now we can select here from these tabs right here. So what I said, we need to click on others, then find the section labeled bed adhesion, this one right here, the first one basically. From auto to outer brim only, so here we will select outer brim only. This is the most common option. And what we are going to do next is click slice plate at the top right to see the new brim around your model. So click slice, wait a few seconds, and yeah, just like that, we have here outer brim. Now, yeah, by default, this sets to 5 millimeters, as you can see right here. If your print is very tall or keeps warping, change this to, let's say, 8 millimeters or also 10 millimeters to make it wider and stronger. And then we have here also brim object gap. We have then this will control how close the brim is to your model. It is usually set, as you can see, to 0.1 or 0.15. If the brim is too hard to peel off, increase this number slightly, like 0.2, let's say, like that. And slice play that we see. Let's see what will happen right here. As you can see now, it's a little bit wider also. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.